Kajingnya ko Mare Thong balapulong da Sorkar Meghalaya da kajingnya lang Naduh ka Meghalaya Athletics Association, ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association, batru ka Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs, kalakring palat nyaw hajar ngut ki Nongmareh Thong na kaling ki Bynta jong kari, bat kamtam wat na kiri na Shilliang Duriaw. Mentau snem ki Nongmareh na ki wegiri jong kaparthai, ki kentup Naduh kari Ethiopia, Kenya, batru na Bangladesh. Katba ki babon hi ki day nakaleng ki Bynta jong kari India, kentup ki babon nakaleng ki district jong ka Meghalaya. Hakalumpong mare ba apway kilometer na ka Bynta baro ki balapalat khat prasnem hakaliang ki kentay bat chinrang, nang ta kalumpong ba apway kilometer na ka Bynta ki nong Meghalaya ba khat prasnem sejrong hakaliang ki kentay bat chinrang. Kadon ru kalumpong mare na ka Bynta kitu ki ba hakatup 10 kilometer hakarta ka ba khat pra hadu sau snem hakaliang ki kentay bat chinrang, bat kumju katup ki ba sau hadu san snem. Kadon ru katup mare ba 10 kilometer na ka Bynta ki belah nripo snem sejrong hakaliang ki kentay bat chinrang. Kadon ru kalumpong mare ka batip kum ka run for fun na ka Bynta ki hybrid bahapo khat sau snem karta. Hakani ka kenti ka Bynta ka jing peniat ya kani kalumpong kalolong ka bayat bet ya renti bahada ka jing snok tilang Naduh Khubor pulit Khubor district haduk Khubor ajing sumar Naduh ka basdang haduk pakut ka jing lekai.
Right to the back, raise your hands, everybody! Right to the back! Everyone, raise your hands! Fantastic! We want to take a picture of that hand raise. Come on, everybody! Raise your hands right to the back! Fantastic! Okay! Here we go for the 10K run! For the third edition of the Sohra International Half Marathon. The countdown begins. 3, 2, 1! Take it easy, take it easy, take it easy, take it easy. Cross the back, take it easy, cross the back. Hold, hold, hold. You guys don't got number 3, continue, just run safe, enjoy the run. It's all about resilience, it's all about character, it's all about the sport. Keep up the sportsman spirit, everybody. Come on, you all can do this. Hoy! Yeah, hoy! We are so proud of each and every one of you. Up to the finish line, everyone. Don't give up. Up to the finish line. Let's do this. All the best, all the best, all the best. All the best. We are so proud of each and every one of you who took time to participate, and this means a lot. This means absolutely a lot to each and every one of us. We thank you on behalf of the government of Meghalaya. We thank you on behalf of the Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs. And we hope you enjoy this one.
Let's go! Let's go!
और जितने भी रनर भारत के विभिन्न राज्य से आए हैं उनको हमारे तरफ से हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं हैं and may you complete this race with joy. Buddy, see you, man. Alright, so we are moving on now to the 40 years and above. For the elite runners, men and women, at the third edition of the Sohra International Half Marathon, kick-starting right about now on the count of 3, 2, 1! Woo-hoo! All the best, each and every one of you! Make up in the view, enjoy the run, have a safe run, and bring the finish line!
All the best. Here?
On selfie first. Go. Lovely.
Even like that, I'm a bit
Alright, so now we're moving on to the Meghalayans. Sohra, and have a good one, everybody. Have a good one.
Hi, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning.